Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with our second Barbie hairstyle that is so trendy right now, and we did not want to miss to do a classy Barbie high ponytail. Therefore, I section off the front hair in a triangle shape, do a middle parting before, and this is where you have her bangs later taken away. Here you see perfectly the triangle. Just put the hair away for the time being. To make the ponytail look longer, we're going to do a little trick. We're going to section her hair into 3 ponytails so that it falls long over her neck. But right now, the first thing we do is the one side of the triangle, this portion, this long piece of hair, you just take and make a little ponytail. Not a ponytail, a little braid. So I did here a French braid, so very classy. Use some hairspray because we have a little strand of hair, and you just pancake it a bit, feather it a bit out to make it wider and more visible later in your hairstyle. You can skip this perfectly if you don't want this braid. It's just personal decision. We saw the picture when we googled all the pictures, when we googled the photos to get some inspiration, and Margarita chose this one, and I think it's a really cute thing to add a little detail. Clip it away, and now we're going to do the 3 little ponytails that are giving us later the idea of a full, very long ponytail. So take the crown hair and create your first ponytail on the top of the head. I tied it up with 2 hair elastics, but with the thin ones. Then you take the second portion of hair that will be more or less above her ears. If you want to make it sleek and neat, use some spray wax, whatever you like to use. I noticed that this is a very good thing to use. And you see that I align these ponytails, clip everything away, and then the last one goes very deep down in her neck. Then take away the clips, and now you're combining the little braid to the second ponytail. Then bring also the first one down, and we're going to prepare the bangs. Therefore, I again use the spray wax, and then with the comb I pull it right behind her ear, and there I just use a bobby pin to attach then the rest of the strand to her last ponytail in the neck. There you can use more bobby pins if needed, just to make sure everything holds in place. And then with the flat iron I just did some curls. Make sure to make them cool off. And we want this typical amazing Barbie hair, and even if you have not the longest hair like Margarita, you can always make it look full with just this little trick. So tell me if you're going to try it, leave me a comment here down below and show me your pictures. You can always contact us, for example, through Instagram. Let me see if you recreate. We will be very happy to see this. You see here, I let the curls just cool off a bit. You can use also a clip if you have. Use some hairspray to fix everything. It will just make sure that the curls last longer. I don't know, I was Margarita's age when the first time I was playing with Barbies. So what is your experience? My children, I just have one daughter and one boy. My daughter did not really play with Barbies. She got them inherited from her cousins, and there was a time where she played a bit, but actually not that much. And now she's nearly 18, and she went right away with her friends to the cinema. So I will do the same. I'm going to see the film today, and then I will let you know what I think about it. So here's also a little back comb necessary. Why? Because we want the hair to move less. It should look loose, but it may not move so much to hide the other ponytails, to give us the illusion of one big one. And because it was such a cute dress and a yellow one, we added the little scrunchie here for Margarita on the top ponytail. And this is our final result. Please, if you're new on our channel, subscribe, click the little bell to be notified if we have a new tutorial, give us a thumbs up, and hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye.